Hi everyone, I'm Annette Morris and I'm bringing to you my living room tour. Now, this is going to be a little different because I want to give you a recap of how I go about going to my stores and the thrift stores and doing DIYs and everything all in one video. So sit back and relax and enjoy. Now, the last store I went to was Ross, and to get inspiration from, and you'll see from all these different stores, I usually gather things and get my inspiration and try to deal with any holidays or anything that's coming up. But also to make changes so that you'll get a chance to really understand my process. And as the season change, so do my home decor. From thrifty finds, inspiration, and also DIYs, I'm able to change my home throughout the year and season to season. And as a multimedia artist, that's also have helped me to contribute different artifacts and different inspiration and art also in my home. Interpret everything that I love into my home. Now this process can consist of me taking rugs, winter rugs, and putting them up, and taking down winter pictures, and taking down different items that I had, collections that I had. I only put in my home things that I love and things I love to create. And I think everyone should be able to achieve that in their home. Even though this is not a clean with me video, the process of what I do before I make that change over to from one season to the next. And there's always something, a big project that come up that kind of slow things down for me, as you see here. After gathering things, decide on what I want to go with, my colors and everything, it usually all come together. Usually by now I have an idea of what color themes I'm working with and how I'm going to gather things I may already have in my supplies to do DIYs or what I have to go out and shop for. When you change in season, I usually find a big task of getting window treatments together, changing from one layout to the other. When deciding on a painting, I try to make sure that I can use it several times and in several places. You don't have to go all out with trending items for the year. It's all a matter of balance. It's quite a process, but I totally love how I'm able to bring it all together. Are you ready? This is how I did it. And so can you, using inspiration for the year with trends and colors, and bring it all together with thrifty finds and DIYs in a small budget. Now, if you've been following me, you'll see that my home, my living room, is a reflection of all the inspirations that I've been showing you with my shopping walkthrough and also with my DIYs. I don't limit myself when it comes to home decor. I like all the high-end items that I see, but I make sure that it's something that's worth the money, and is it possible that I can thrift it or DIY it. You don't have to have one style be the only style of your home. you can make your house a home. Not just any home, but your home. With so many styles out there, you get a chance to pick and choose. With that, you have so many other possibilities of making a house a home. To define exactly what I mean by that, my house is full of high-end and low-end items far as thrifty finds, my artwork, and also DIYs. And to define exactly what I mean by that, let's take a closer look of my home. I think the smartest way to go about this would be to start from the floor up. I found this area rug at Menards. It's carnival, and let me tell you, this is the side that I purchased for this side here. But to my surprise, and I will give you a hint and a tip of what you should look for when you're looking for area rug. Look for an area rug that the pattern on the reverse side is just as good as the pattern on the front side. Can you tell how excited I am about that tip? See if you can use it. 2 looks for the price of 1. These chairs are my drop cloth slip cover chairs, and the pillows are $55. Satin pillows with trim. These are my botanical paintings that I did as a DIY. I'm sure you remember this DIY that I did with these mirrors from Lowe's. My husband and I did. And these are my DIY vases that I did. A video will be linked in the description for those. Those remote candles are from Bed Bath & Beyond. My collection of vases are at the end of the fireplace is from Walls and at Home Store. In front of the fireplace, you'll see a wooden magazine holder that holds my decorative logs, fire logs, and then next to that is a mint green vase that I found at HOMEGOODS, and then behind that is a mint green water pitcher that I thrifted. Now to go to the other side of the room. My lamps are Stefan Nomex porcelain and brass lamps, but the lampshades are from Target. At the end, I'm going to give you a close-up of all the items you see on that side of the room. My pillow collection consists of at-home store pillows, also HOMEGOODS, and Walmart. I usually have my throw thrown out on my couch, but this time I decided to roll it up and use a tassel tie that I created to keep it over in the corner. Now on this side of the wall, you also see my macrame video that I have, as well as the pictures in the middle there. And I didn't do the ones on the side yet, but that's a video to come. Even though this was taped in the first part of May, I still left some of my April decor out to accent the living room until I change it up again. My wooden box that you see there, it comes in handy for us me putting different remotes and phone connections when we have guests to come over. And our welcome pillow was from Target. If you're not a part of my more family here on my channel, take the time to subscribe and don't forget to like and share. This is a ladder that we put together, and it holds my extra throws and also this macrame runner that I got from Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. And this is a close-up of my vintage lamps. I had these for years, but this was one of my treasured finds that I found. And I'm still enjoying them to this day. Then you'll see this thrifty find, the whirlwind vase, and then a close-up of my pillars, my table setting. This was a thrifty find, the tulips, and I just have a canvas thrown over the table, my round table, which is glass underneath. In the corner is just a collection of things within my collection that I've used throughout my videos. And my lamp over there is also an antique lamp that I purchased years ago. It was in my art studio. And then, of course, you're familiar with my broke baskets and trays. I will have a link to that video in my description box. Anything else I didn't mention? My curtains are from Tuesday morning. Well, I hope you enjoyed my living room tour and the process of how I put it all together. I hope you saw something that you like, and comment down below and let me know. Thanks for coming by, and I'll see you next time with more home decor and DIYs. Stay safe, be blessed. Thank you, Amors.